We just did the Korean and Taekwondo workshop. Yeah, it was really good. I really liked it.
My name is Dongmin Cha. I'm dispatched Taekwondo master from South Korea. So we are here for the Taekwondo demonstration and introduce about the Taekwondo for today. When I was a Taekwondo player, I went to 3 Olympics, 2008, 2012, 2016. I won a gold medal and bronze medal as well.
We did like a short kind of class on the basics, and then they got us to demonstrate it. And then we had a cute little competition at the end, and our group won.
You get to do something fun while also hearing the language, and they explained it really well, the kicks we were meant to do and all the stuff we were meant to do, so it was just really fun.
We actually have a Korean class in our school, so I'll be sure to take that next time.